Does life suck? This video is for you. Today, let's take a hard look at ourselves and ask why. Hey everyone, I'm Vimita from What I Learned Today. If you're new here, do subscribe. If you need coaching, if you need products and tools to help you in your manifestation or spiritual journey, you can find it all in our website. The link is below. Check it out. All right, now let's get started. Sit down. Today, I want to have a heart to heart with you, so come close. Today, there'll be no fancy words, there will be no sugar coating, just the truth from my heart to yours. See, I know how it feels like to struggle, how it feels like to be stuck, how it feels like to keep asking, why me, why me? I know all of it. I know how it is to carry burden on your shoulders, how it is to be disappointed again and again and again, how it is to feel anxious, how it is to feel fear, how is it to feel depression that sucks you. I know when money leaves you, when love leaves you, your health is going down the drain. All of it is terrible. I'm not saying it is not. Okay, I have been in the same boat as you, feeling powerless, blaming circumstances, blaming others, waiting for life to fix itself. But here is what I learned: waiting does not change anything. Life does not fix itself by itself. There is no one coming to save us. Maybe someone will come, but unless we are open over here, even that will not happen. Because there is no one out there. I keep telling you, all of it, everything is a projection of what is going on over here. Everything is you, your focus, your awareness, your imagination. You are creating your experiences, my dear. And what are you paying attention to? What are you talking about all day? What are you thinking about all day? Who are you being all the time? What are you in your imagination? Unless you decide who you are, unless you define what you want to be in life, what you want in life, things will not change. It is okay, to feel all that. But at some point, you have to say, I am making a decision to be a different version of myself. The definition of what I am and how my life is will come from my imagination. You know all of this intellectually. I know it is easy to understand intellectually, but can you believe it in your gut? Can you really believe it? You have to choose, I am this, and you have to keep coming back to it, regardless of what the temporary world around you shows you. Because out there is not you, in here is you. Do you love what is going on in your life? No, right? Then why do you keep going back to it? Can you really believe that you already have what you want? Can you make yourself believe that? Just decide and don't care about what anything else shows you, what anyone else does. Because that is the easy way to get what you desire. You need to claim it. You don't have to struggle through manifestation. Manifestation is never a struggle, it should be easy. How many videos are you going to watch? How many times are you going to keep looking for the answer to the same question? Because deep down you know the answer. Now you need to live that answer. Become aware of where your focus lies. Techniques, all these affirmations, scripting, visualization. Yeah, they are great, but they are just tools. They are secondary. You don't even need them. You can just decide, and none of that will be needed. Your job is to choose. The only job these tools are doing is to remind you what you're choosing. These techniques are not what change your life, they are just helpers. Your decision, that is what brings about the change. And honestly, where is your mind? Have you decided? Have you been consistently focusing on what you want? I know it's not possible 24 hours a day to keep thinking positive, positive, positive. No, it's impossible. What I'm saying is, can you keep coming back from that feeling of lack to the feeling that I have it already? Because you see, if you constantly look at what's missing in your life, you will experience that only suspension of disbelief. You've heard that dramatic term, and I'm using that loosely over here. It means you need to forget the current reality, forget all of this nonsense, and go within and believe what you have not yet seen. So, stop checking your reality for proof. How often do you go and see if your manifestation is here? Is the text come? Has the text come? Is there a message? Worrying about money, checking the bill again, 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 doubting your dreams. They put you in a state of wanting, waiting. I don't have it yet. Does God wait? Let me ask you. Does God wait? God knows, right? God decides and knows. And you? What are you? You are God too. It has to come to you. You just need to stop wavering. When you claim that your desired reality is already done, you don't need to see. You just need to know. Searching will keep you stuck, honey. I know it's hard to stay calm when things are going wrong. I have been there, I've told you a million times, so believe me. I know that need for 3D validation. Maybe a specific person is ignoring you. Okay, maybe the bills are rising. But when you want that, your self concept is going down the drain. You're fighting against this, and that'll keep you stuck. You need to be indifferent to it right now. Okay, you need to deeply trust, believe that these circumstances are irrelevant. What if it is working? What if things are going exactly how they need to? Just move from that past, those old stories. Think of the patterns you want to escape and leave them aside. Become the new you. Let go of that old self. Your new identity has everything you need. How do you feel? Accept that in your mind, accept that in your imagination. Stop being a passive consumer of more and more manifestation content. It is there to help you change. So resist that urge to search for more techniques, more coaches, more methods. You are overloading yourself with confusion. You don't need all that. Time to start applying what you know. Don't do it tomorrow. Don't do it when you feel ready. Do it right now. Decide right now. In this moment, it is yours. Walk with that certainty. Don't care. No matter what the world shows, you have it. Trust it. Your reality will start reflecting. I'm telling you, if you consistently do it, it has no option but to. So, can you stop playing the victim? Can you stop waiting and start creating? It's not hard work, it is easy, but it needs discipline. It's so worth it because you are not powerless, you're not broken. The life you want is waiting for you. You are standing in its way with your beliefs that it is not possible, with your doubts. You are enough and you can do it. You can get what you want. I believe in you every step of the way. Can you just stick to it? You still have doubts? Come here, ask me. I'm here for you. Let's get it cleared. Let's get all those things that you want. Let's leave all this nonsense behind. All right? Take care. Be the best version of yourself.